US indices traded bearish today. We have seen Dow Jones trading all the way towards 42 4250 zone, the first support zone here, while US 100 is also moved towards 21 150 160, and then US 500 towards 5888. All of these levels, if you watch first update with my Asian Europe session a few hours back, you will find all of these levels we had discussed, and beautifully these levels are respected so far. So what to expect now from US session? Can we say that the bottoming is done? Can we expect a reversal here, or there is going to be a sharper crash here? What should be our strategy? In order to profit trading the S&P, Nasdaq and Dow, we're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis. Yes, we do not only share the levels but also give you the reasoning behind each and every level. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into uh, S&P followed with Nasdaq, then Dow. Watch till the end. See, S&P on the early charts, higher lows are seen. It has breached this lows. It is now trying to bounce back. There is a reversal sign. Now, if you see, it is staying beyond 5920. You can buy, but then I will say this zone between 5920, 5926, 5932, and 5940. These 4 levels are going to be the resistances here on the upside. As long as these 4 levels are respected, you have to be careful with the buys. Only and only if you see S&P trading beyond 5940 is stay bullish. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trading sharply divergent and bearish. The RSI is at bottom. Coming to 2 hour chart, on the 2 hour charts, the moving averages have started to converge, and you can see this. It is delivering lower lows, lower highs, trading in this bearish channel here. Now it is very important for the tech S&P 500 to break 5940 on the upside, and on the downside 588075 level. See, else it is still staying in this bullish channel. Every rise offset with a drop, and it could rise again towards the moon. Possibility is there. Stochastic at bottom trying to bounce back. MACD bearish, RSI is dropped here. On the 3 hour charts, you have seen a good drop, and it has come towards 50 period and now trying to retrace. So now if you see it is staying beyond 592026, 32 and 5940, you can expect bullishness. So till 5940, we have got very good resistances on the upside. Stochastic at bottom here, the MACD bearish. When you see the RSI has dropped here. Coming to 4 hour chart, on the 4 hour chart, similar observation. See, hitting the lows, it is just creating lower lows and now trying to bounce back, though not yet confirming a reversal. And yes, once you see it is staying below 5996, you can 5896, you can sell here at for 5888 and 588075. If 588075 levels are taken, stay short for 5850 levels. Yes, it is possible. Remember, on the 4 hour charts, lower highs are there, and once it drops here, possibly we are waiting for 5875, 5860, 5850 zone as the next targets. Yes, though the indicators have cooled down significantly, but still having room for further drop. Coming to the daily charts, on the daily charts, what has happened? See, first red candle, second in making here, and second one could deliver further lows. Possibility of a move towards 5870, 5875, 5880 is there, and then 5860, 5850 should be seen. Moving a stochastic dropping here, the MACD is in green, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over RSI top. So looking at this, I will only recommend you to now buy at 5920 levels, but then to 5926, 5932 and 5940 are the 3 resistance that it needs to break. Once these 3 levels are taken, you can stay bullish for 5959, 5955, 5970 and 6000. If S&P breaches 5970 today, stay bullish for 6000 levels. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 5906, expect 5896. Once 5896 is taken, 5888 and then 5876, 878. If 5876, 78 is taken, 5860, 5840 levels to be there, below which a greater correction should follow. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq 100. Nasdaq 100, similar observation. See, I have shared this earlier in the day drop. Then this waterfall here, it is delivering lower highs, lower lows, trading in this channel. The lows of the channel are now towards 21080 and 21000 levels. But what's happening after the drop? It is trying to recover. It could continue here with this little rise. We can expect a greater resistance in between 21280, 320 and then 350, 360. If these levels are taken, 21400 is going to be the strongest one to break. Only and only if you see Tech 100 trading beyond 21400 is stay bullish. Moving average is crossed over here, trading with divergence and bearishness. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI is bottomed. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, we have similar observation here. See, it is consolidated enough. We have seen a tail and it is just forming the base, and now once the next candle arrives, possibly this could rise further. Now, as long as now 21,200 is not taken, do not initiate a sell. Only below 21,200 you can say that now the bears are back. Stochastic rising at the MACD trading sharply bearish. The RSI is flat here. On the 3 hour, similar observation. Yes, it has found the support here. And see, this is how it has been trading. This is a bearish channel. It has to give you a breakout. A breakout beyond 21,260, 21,320 and 360 and 400. Very, very good resistances till 21,400 levels exist. Stochastic at bottom, MACD bearish. The indicators have cooled down significantly after a good drop. Coming to 4-hour charts. Now on the 4-hour charts, 20 period offering it a good resistance. It is very, very important for Tech 100 to trade now beyond 21 280, 300, 320, 360 and 400. 5 levels here. Till 21 400 levels, it has got extremely strong resistance. Beyond 21 400 is stay bullish. Stochastic is at bottom. The MACD is bearish. The RSI is flat. Coming to daily. Now see, before we proceed to daily charts and I provide you the levels, how easily in just couple of minutes we have quickly analyzed all the charts and all the levels here and arrived at the conclusion as well. And also we have seen what is the possible trend which we can expect. You can also learn this art of trading. You can be part of my mentorship batch. 33rd batch is announced for 2nd of June. Do not miss this opportunity. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram. Else you can be just part of my signals channel or Telegram where trading as per the signals you can benefit. So write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended and trusted broker in the link in the channel and video description. Join through the link and you'll get the best of the benefits. Now, looking at the chart, see, I will only recommend you to now buy if you see it is staying beyond 21,280, but then 21,300, 320, 360 and 400, 5 levels. It has to break 21,400 in order to confirm a reversal. Beyond this, moon is the going to be the next target. 21,500, 650, 800 should be there very soon. On the downside, a selling entry at 21,200 can be taken. Expect 21,160, 150, and if this is taken, then 21,080. Below 21,080, 21,000 should be there, and below 21,000 it should head lower all the way towards 20,920 and 20,800. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Dow Jones. US 30 on the hourly charts. Yes, it has found the support here, the same levels where it has seen the support previously, and that is why I had earlier in the day mentioned 43, 250, 240 should be a support. 42, 350, below 42, 350 you can expect 42, 250, 240 at the first support, and then 42, 200 the next. Now it has come down to this support and trying to bounce back. And if you look at the last few times, see, whenever it has come down to this support, it has shown a good bounce back. So let's see if it trades now beyond 42, 450 and 500, we can expect a reversal. Moving averages crossing over here, signs of bearishness, stochastic oversold trying to recover. MACD and RSI both are trading bearish. On the 2-hour chart, see, I have mentioned it is a waterfall. It is trading bearish. It is looking downwards. Now, if you see it is staying below 42,300 and 42,240, stay short. This time, possibly, we are looking forward to 42,000 levels. So let's watch out. The direction it takes today is going to be important. Moving averages have started to converge, though not yet crossed over. On the upside now, 42,600, 700 is going to be the most critical zone for US 30 to break beyond. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading sharply bearish. The RSI has dropped here. On the 3-hour, similar observation here on the 3-hour charts, rise, retracement, taking the support from the 50 period, trying to bounce back. So possibly we could see a little rise, but yes, only bullishness should be beyond 42,500 levels. Till 42,500, be cautious, and beyond 42,650, 700 is the reversal. Indicators have almost bottomed here. And similar observation on the 4-hour charts. Retracement. Wait for a breakout here. The stochastic is oversold, the MACD is bearish, the RSI has dropped here. Coming to daily charts, on the daily charts, see this rise is offset with these 2 candles. And now look at these 3 candles. These are the support levels. It is very, very important for US 30 to trade below 42,250 and 42,200 levels. If these 2 levels are taken, there is a strong possibility that US 30 might move towards 42,000 levels. But also if you see US 30 here delivering higher lows and higher highs, this is still very much intact in this bullish channel. Any move now beyond 42,600, 700 is the reversal confirmation. Moving averages crossing over here certainly is a bullish sign. Though things are slightly overbought, but it is not showing signs of reverse. So looking at this, you can buy at 42,450 levels, expect 42,500. And then if it breaches 42,500, stay bullish for 42,600. Beyond 42,600 is where it is going to get difficult. 42,643, 42,688, 700. If it breaches 42,700, stay bullish. This is going to deliver a massive rally here. Then we can again see it hitting 42,900, chances for which appears to be less. On the downside now, I'll recommend a selling entry at 42,320, expect 42,260, 240. If this is taken, then 42,200, 180. If 42,180 is taken, stay short for 42,040, 42,000. Below 42,000, we are ready for a great correction towards 41,800. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch the next update with the Asian Europe session tomorrow. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead till then. Thank you.